Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what you are going to design. You are going to design this beautiful church flyer I call Kingdom Partners. Okay, I call it a Kingdom Partners flyer, and this is the full flyer of it. And yes, we are going to design everything from the beginning, from scratch to the end, using our smartphone Pixellab. Yes, we are going to use our smartphone. This is not any computer-related software. Yes, it's a smartphone graphic design using the Pixellab. So if you want to download the software Pixellab, just log on to Google Play Store or iOS Store or App Store to download the Pixellab text on image. Okay, and then download it, install it, and then you are good to go. So without wasting much time, I'll go to the background. We'll start everything from the scratch. Okay, I'll go to the backgrounds, or better still, I'll go to the default and set here to default. Then I'll go to the background again. Okay, and then let me set my background, the image size. So I'll go here and then type this side 4, and then I'll click on the height and then type the 5. Okay, so click on OK and then set. This is the size. So I'm going to my layers and then I'll delete all these things. Okay, then go to the background again and go and import the background. Okay, so go to the from gallery, and then this is where my images are kept. Okay, so I'll just import the image and bring it here. Okay, so this is my image. Yes, this is my background. I'll click on it and then boom, just click on this one and boom, my background is set nicely. So this is everything that I use for the background. Okay, then I'll just go to the image shapes and then go to this side to click on the shape. Then you go to import. Okay, click on import. Then we are going to import the church logo. All right, let's go and import the church logo. Okay, from your gallery. Okay, so this is our church logo. Click on it and then select, and then that is the Green Life Church. Okay, the Green Life Church. Then push it up this way. Now let's go and center and align. Okay, let's center it. Perfect. Then go to the layers and you lock it. Boom. Then we are done with the church logo. We are done with the background, the church logo. And then the next thing is we have to type the details. Okay, then click on it and then type your kingdom. Okay, so KINGDOM. Yes, so kingdom. Okay, kingdom. Then click on it. Then change all to caps. All right. Then position it at this way. We are going to change the font. All right. We are going to change the font. So locate your font and then come to my recent font use. Okay. So kingdom, and yes, we use American Captain. All right, so click on it, then stretch it this way, stretch it a bit again. So kingdom. Now let's center it. Okay, so we center it. Perfect. Then let's change the color to color black. Yes, so kingdom. Then go to this side, copy it, and then bring it down and edit and type your partners. Okay, kingdom partner. Kingdom Partners. So this is it. Change all to caps and then boom, we are good to go. And then position it at the side. This is also ready, so adjust it and position it this way, or better still, you can use the center. Boom, then you lock it again. So make sure you lock everything. So Kingdom Partners. Okay, Kingdom Partners Summit. So come to your shape, and then click on shape and then reduce the size to be too small like this way. Reduce the size again, and then we are going to change the color. Okay, select it and we are going to change the color. Turn it on this way. Go to gradient and we are using this gradient color. Okay, we are using this gradient color. Okay, then again go and lock it. Okay, so once it's locked, then come to your text side and then click on text, edit, and then type the summit. Okay, Kingdom Summit 2025. So 2025. Okay, then change to caps, click on it, and then position it on top of the shape that you created. Okay, now go and change the font. Okay, always make sure you use a font that will seems to be okay. All right, so change the font to, this is the font we used. Yes, that is the exact font we use. Yeah, that is the exact font we use. So click on it. Perfect. And then position it on top of the shape. Okay, now let's center it. Okay, perfect. This is awesome. So Kingdom Summit 2025. Then let's lock it. All right, so that is also set and down. Now the next thing we are going to do is what? To introduce the image. Okay, so go to this side, or go to the shape side, then go to import. Okay, click on import and then go and bring the image. Always save the image at a place whereby you can easily see it. Okay, all right, this is the image. Then click on it, and we have removed the background too. So position it at this side, or better still, you can reduce the size and position it down here. And better still, the kingdom partners must go up. So let's adjust it. Okay, so pick on the kingdom, go to the text side, and then go to position. Okay, and move it up. Okay, perfect. So kingdom is up. Then let's go and select partners, and then position, and then move it up. Okay, so kingdom partners, perfect. Then let's go and pick the shape in which the summit was on it. Okay, and you position it using the position, move it up this way. Perfect. Or it must come down a bit. Perfect. Then send the summit again. Okay, send the summit. So your position, then you push it up. Perfect, this way, and I think it's okay. Then the image must come down. Okay, the image must come down, and I think this is awesome. Or better so, you can increase the size of the image and position it down this way, just to make sure everything is visible. Now with the image, let's center it. Okay, sorry, let's center it this way. Perfect. Now the image is centered. Now lock it. Okay, then we are going to bring the date, time, and the venue. Okay, date, time, and venue. So the first is we are using Ghana. Okay, we are using Ghana, and then we use the flag. Okay, so let me go here and then change here to Ghana. Okay, yes, so we are using Ghana, and we clear off this side, and we are using only the flag to represent it. Okay, so I can increase the size so that I can push it to this side. Okay, and reduce the size again to 41, and I think it's okay. So use the position. Okay, use the position to move it this way. All right, so move it, and then you can bring it down. Just adjust it well. Okay, Ghana, first one. Then let's go and copy it, and then go to edit, and then write the time. So maybe Ghana time, we are using, let's say 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to, let's say 9 a.m. So if it's Ghana, then you click on it and then change the font. All right, change the font. So let's go and change the font to a good font that is communicatable, and I think this is okay. So click on it and then you position it at that side. Maybe you can reduce the size. Okay, maybe you can reduce the size a bit and then let it be good, and I think 35 is awesome. So let's use the position to adjust it a bit. Okay, let's use the position to adjust it a bit, and I think this is okay. All right, I think this is okay. Then let's see if we can change the color. Okay, let's see if we can change the color. No, this is, and I think this is okay. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Let's make some changes a bit to it, and I think this should be okay. All right, okay. So we go and select the flag. Okay, and then we copy again. Go to edit and then type the USA. Okay, so USA is here, and that one to clear it, and then use the position. Okay, use the position to bring it down. Yes, increase it, and then you can bring it down well. Then position it here. Better still, bring it down a bit. Perfect. Okay, then let's go and then pick the time. Okay, so copy it and then reintroduce it at this side. So move it and then position it here. Better still, you can use the position to adjust it a bit. Okay, if whether it should come down or it should go up or any way, you can adjust it to your choice. And I think this is okay. So I'll lock everything. All right, I'll lock everything. Okay, yes, I'll lock everything, and that is done. Then the next thing is that we are going to write what the let's go and pick one of the image, the design, and then this. So this is it. Okay, so we pick the date. Okay, so there was a date before the time. Okay, there was a date before the time. So let's hide this one. Okay, so let's lock it and hide it. So you can even put the date down. Okay, so we created a shape and place the date on it. Okay, we created a shape and place the date on it. So create it this way, and then position it this way. Good. Then you can change the color. Yes, since the color was changed. Yes, since the color was changed, position it this way, and then you write the date. Okay, so the date is maybe 27th June. So click this one and then go to text 27th June. Okay, June, June 2025. So 2025. So if it's okay, click on caps and then position it on it, and let's change the font. Okay, always change the font to a font which is okay for you. All right, change the font to a font which is okay for you. And I think this is awesome, but I have to reduce the size. Okay, always reduce the size if necessary. Always reduce the size if necessary. And this seems to be good. Okay, this seems to be good. Yes, this seems to be good. This seems to be good. This seems to be good. Good. Then let's see if I can change the color of the text a bit. Perfect, 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 perfect. I think it's communicating. It's communicating. So the date, time is there. Then we are going to write the rest of the details. Let's check it up. So our position and then move it up this way. And then a 3 days conference. Then the venue was there. So let me lock this side. So a 3 days conference. So I copy the date. Okay, copy the date and then come to edit and write a 3 days. So a 3 days. Okay, so it's already here. Change all to caps and then let's adjust it to this side. Okay, so you change it to color white. All right, change it to color white or something like this. It's awesome. Position it at this side and then copy it again. Edit and then write the conference. So conference. Okay, good. So conference, change all to caps and then let's increase the size. Okay, increase the size and then we split it into 2. Okay, click on this and then go and use this line spacing. Okay, line spacing to reduce it to this side. Yes, reduce it to this side. Reduce the size again, position it at this side, and then increase it to, I think, minus 43, 42 is okay, depending on the size of your details. I think I have to reduce this side a bit and increase here to this. And I think this is awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Good. And let's see if you like, can maintain the color like that. If you like, you can change it to color white. Or yes, if you like, can change it to color white. Good. And this is okay. This is okay. Then we go and lock all of it. Okay. So we lock all of it. Then the rest of the details, such as the location or the venue, which is the social media handle, and then the Facebook location, you adjust them over there. Then after that, we created a shape. Okay. We created a shape over here. Perfect, 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 perfect. We change the color. Yes, we change the color to a gradient color. Perfect. Something like this or something similar to this. And then we wrote the name on it. Okay. We wrote the name on it. So click on the text edit and then edit the text and write the width. So capital width. Good. Width is here. And then go and change the font. Alright, so we have to change the font to, I think, taken by vouchers. Yes, taken by vouchers, and it's here. No, taken by vouchers this side. Click on it, and then let's go to what do you call it? Padding. Increase here to have the full size of the font. Okay, so click on it. Okay. And then change the color if necessary. And I think color white is okay. So I don't need to change the color. Okay. Because it's communicating well already. Now lock it. Then go and type the rest of the name. Okay. So, Reverend. Yes. So Doris. Maybe answer. Okay, so if this is the full name of the pastor or the anything, just if that is the full name, click on it and then type it and change the font. Change the font to, I think we should use the same font so that it can communicate well. Alright, and better still, let's reduce the size. Yes, let's reduce the size to mountain like 40 or 41 or 40 is not bad at all. Then we have to click on OK and then change the color. Yes, change the color. It's very, very necessary. And I think color black can be okay. Yes, color black can be okay since that side of the shape is already showing a different color. Okay, and I think this is okay. So if you have any rest of the details, assuming that you are designing for your clients, always request the information that the client will give you. Okay, request for the information that the clients will give you. And I think this one, the logo must go up a bit. Okay, the logo must go up a bit, and then just do the adjustment or arrangement, the proper arrangement. And I think the kingdom too can go up a bit, or any other way around that you want to arrange them. Then if you have the location plus maybe sponsors and other details, just find a place and arrange everything. And after that, you go and save it as your project. So go here and then you save it as a project, or you know how to save already. This is a camera icon, or this which look like a camera icon. You click on it at the top here. Let me show it to you. Yes, let me show it to you. So this side, so this side, if you go here, perfect, then you click on that side, then you save as a project or save it as an image. If you save as an image, it will go directly into your phone gallery. But if you save as a project, you can come back at any time and come and edit anything on it. So that is how I was able to achieve this beautiful flyer using our smartphone graphic design. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. And if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, so that I know how this tutorial is helping you in any other way. Don't forget, the free PLP file plus the resources file will be posted on our Telegram page for you to download and practice for free. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Until then, stay safe. Bye.